Hi Pia. I know I could have wished you directly, but ये वीडियो बनाने का एक छोटा सा रीज़न है. You will come to know very soon. So I would like to
Hi
wish you.
Priyanka ma'am, this is Chit. Just wanted to wish you many happy returns of the day. You and Arvind sir are two of my favorite teachers ever, and hope you enjoy not just today but every day.
Hi ma'am, it's Anushka Rao here from the 2016 batch. I took home tuitions from Arvind sir and I had you teach me biology. I was trying to get into medical then at the time when you all were teaching me, and I'm now about to enter my third year of MBBS. So obviously it turned out great learning from you all. I just wanted to thank you for not only teaching us biology but also for teaching me a lot about how to manage my goals, how to accomplish my goals, and also manage the other aspects of my life, like to balance out my holistic and personal things with my academic mindset. And yeah, I wanted to thank you for making me even more interested in biology than I was before, and for guiding me through some very tough years of teenage life with such big ambitions and everything. I just wanted to thank you for everything that you've done for me, because you were a teacher who would always go above and beyond to make sure that all your students are comfortable and all your students have grasped everything that you're trying to communicate in an effective way. So here's wishing you a very happy birthday, ma'am. I hope you reach even higher pinnacles in life, and I hope you continue to reach out to students and make us all happy and comfortable the way that you always do. Lots of love to you, ma'am.
Hello, Priyanka ma'am. How are you? First of all, wish you many happy returns of the day. वैसे तो आप मुझे भूले नहीं होंगे, बट फिर भी आई एम नैनेश्वरी फ्रॉम 10th B बैच 1920. ऑब्वियसली आपको हमेशा परेशान करने वाली स्टूडेंट. आपके बारे में जो बोलो वैसे कम है, बट फिर भी यू आर द बेस्ट टीचर, most supportive, friendly teacher I have ever met with. You are the best, Priyanka ma'am. Last but not the least, wish you many happy returns of the day. Have great years with joy and happiness. Stay blessed. Bye.
Hello, ma'am. Wish you many happy returns of the day. You were with us only for a year, but that 1 year was just full of happiness. It got passed just like a bullet. The time we spent with you was just amazing and full of adventure. I have never did that kind of adventure any time before in my life. And ma'am, your guts. Oh, I was its biggest fan. आपकी वो cute सी dimple वाली smile and your guts. I can still imagine you right in front of me. I feel like you're always with all of us. And one more thing, आपकी वो प्यार भरी पनिशमेंट जिसके लिए हम तरसते थे, कभी होमवर्क करके भी नहीं किया बोल देते थे, कभी जानबूझकर बदमाशी कर देते थे. आई एम मिसिंग इवन दैट. आई एम मिसिंग इट अगेन. इतनी प्यार भरी पनिशमेंट आपके अलावा कौन दे सकता है? And definitely, ma'am, all those moments which we have spent with you, those immemorable moments, I can never ever forget in my life. Definitely, and I knew that those days won't come back. But I wish to see you and Arvind sir again with all of us. I know it's bit impossible, but I even know that you will definitely make it possible.
Wish you a very happy birthday, ma'am. Thank you for getting me through my boards. You are an amazing teacher. Happy birthday.
Hi Priyanka ma'am. First of all, wish you many happy returns of the day. जब भी मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आता था तो you had always helped me. So really, thank you so much for that. And once again, wish you many happy returns of the day from Rameshwari, and enjoy your day.
Hello, ma'am. Wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you so much for everything. I really miss your bio lectures. Hope to see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.
Many happy returns of the day, teacher. May God bless you, all your dreams come true, and all your aims you can achieve it very fast. My best wishes for you. Many happy returns of the day.
Hello ma'am, wish you many more years of joy and happiness. Thanks for inspiring us and spreading your knowledge with us. You and Arvind sir are my one of the most favorite teachers. We are missing you a lot. Once again, wish you happy birthday.
Hi Priyanka ma'am, I'm Sakina from your 2015-16 batch. I studied physics and math with you in 10th standard, and I'm here to wish you a very happy birthday and I hope you have a great day.
हैप्पी बर्थडे प्रियंका मैम, आप ऐसे ही हंसते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो और हैप्पी हैप्पी रहो. वैसे वी आर रियली मिसिंग यू, अरविंद सर एज वेल एज अद्विका. सो आप जल्दी से जल्दी नांदेड़ आओ और हमसे मिलो, और सबसे पहले मुझे बताना कि आप नांदेड़ आ रहे हो, बिकॉज स्कूल में ऐसा एक भी दिन नहीं गया होगा जिस दिन हमने आपके बारे में बातें नहीं की होंगी. एनीवेज, it's your day, enjoy your day, and happy birthday once again from my side as well as from my friend circle.
Hi Priyanka ma'am, wish you a very very happy birthday. I hope you remember me. I'm Jay from the 7th and 8th grade. So I really do feel teachers aren't valued enough and they don't get enough credit for what they do. So I'm going to take this opportunity and thank you as well as Arvind sir for giving me all your knowledge and basically shaping my personality and making me who I am today. So thank you so much and wish you a very very happy birthday once again. Missing you.
Hi Priyanka ma'am, wish you a many many returns of the day. And first of all, I like to tell that you and Arvind sir are the best teachers and the best motivators in my life. और एक ही कहूँगा कि 10th क्लास में जहाँ पर भी हम रुके थे आपने हमें बहुत सपोर्ट किया, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत थैंक यू. और 10th आपके वजह से ही मतलब हम क्रैक कर सके. ऑल क्रेडिट गोज़ टू यू एंड अरविंद सर. एंड आपने हमें एलिजिबल समझा कि हम वो कर सकते हैं. एंड 9th तक तो ऐसा लगता था कि कुछ होगा नहीं, बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट है घर पे. बट जब से आपने हमें साइंस पढ़ाना स्टार्ट किया या फिज़िक्स पढ़ाना स्टार्ट किया, थोड़ी थोड़ी आशा की उम्मीद जगने लगी कि कुछ तो होगा घर के सामने, हमारी लाइफ कुछ तो अच्छी बनेगी और हम कुछ तो अच्छा अचीव कर पाएंगे लाइफ में. और इस सब के लिए बहुत बहुत थैंक यू. एंड आई विल प्रे टू गॉड दैट यू स्टे लॉन्गर एंड हैप्पियर एंड योर लाइफ में एंटायर लाइफ गो मोर हैप्पियर एंड बेस्ट. एंड वंस अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे. थैंक यू मैम.
Hi, this is Shraddha Mundara from class 10. On this special day, I just wanted to say you thank you. I never say it, but whenever I say it, I mean it. The way you teach, the knowledge you share, and the love you shower makes you the best. I wish you a very happy birthday. Have a good day.
Hello Priyanka ma'am, I hope you recognize me. The gym changed me a lot. You and Arvind sir have always been the coolest teachers in the world. I really love you all and I wanted to wish you a really happy birthday. Stay awesome. Thank you.
So many happy returns of the day, Mrs. Achari. It's very difficult क्योंकि मेरे को अभी भी याद है जब घर में तेरी फर्स्ट एंट्री हुई थी अरविंद के घर में, एंड आई वाज टोटली सरप्राइज कि मैंने तुझसे ये पूछा था तू यहाँ क्या कर रही है. सो तेरे को भी यही सरप्राइज देने के लिए वी वर ट्राइंग. सो विशिंग यू द हैप्पीएस्ट बर्थडे एवर. सो आई थिंक दिस विल बी वेरी मच स्पेशल क्योंकि आई थिंक यू विल एक्सपेक्ट सम मोर सरप्राइजेस. वही आई थिंक अरविंद ने प्लान किया है. बट अगर ये सिर्फ वीडियो बना के सेंड करने का आइडिया था तो दैट इज नॉट अ प्रॉपर आइडिया. ओके, वी नीड अ ट्रिप.
Happy birthday, Priyanka teacher. Oh my God. When Arvind messaged and said that he's making a video for you, I decided that I will wish you the way I've always been calling you. Happy birthday, Priyanka teacher. Have a great day.
Hey Priyanka, wishing you a very happy birthday. Though we didn't meet personally, but as I know virtually the way you are, a strong lady, and I think you go a miles away to fulfill all your wishes and dreams. Once again, a very happy birthday.
Hi Pawar, many many happy returns of the day. तुम्हें दुनिया की हर खुशी मिले और मेरी नई ख्वाहिशात हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ है. And one more thing, stay safe.
Hello, hi Priyanka ma'am. Many happy returns of the day.
Many happy returns of the day, ma'am.
God bless you.
a very, very happy birthday to our bumblebee, what we used to call her in our group as a bumblebee, Mrs. Priyanka Achari. The quote I would like to give you here is, "You are made up of a gun and goes like a bullet. Keep riding, keep enjoy. Have a very, very, very happy birthday."
प्रियंका, how are you dear? Missing you a lot. मेरे बच्चू कैसी है? साड़ी पहनना सीखी कि नहीं? अच्छे से साड़ी पहन और बर्थडे के दिन मुझे पहन के स्वीट पिक्स भेज. हाय, हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन. लव यू अ लॉट. मिसिंग यू अ लॉट डार्लिंग. बाय.
Hi Priyanka, happy birthday. Wish you many happiness of the day. And specially, हमेशा हमारे लिए स्पेशल होता है क्योंकि हम दोनों एक ही दिन शेयर करते हैं बर्थडे. इसके लिए सेम टू यू एंड आई विश ये सारी विशेस पूरी हो. चल बाय, ध्यान रखना एंड मिस यू. एंड अगर आ सकती है पुणे या मैं मुंबई आती हूँ तो प्लीज इस बार तो अपन पक्का मिलेंगे.
Hey Pia, surprise! So I just wanted to video bomb into your surprise videos. Arvind approached me to do this video and send it to you. So I mean, send it to him so that he can give you a surprise. And it was a wonderful thought. Hats off to you, Arvind. I still remember how we used to celebrate each and everyone's birthday in our college, and it was a wonderful time we had together. And I know it has been so long. I've wished you a birthday, but I mean, it happens. I mean, good that we have got a chance to wish you now, and I wish you a wonderful year ahead, a great life, a happy time with your family and everything. And I hope we meet when you come to Kerala sometimes. So yes, ഞാൻ കുറച്ച് മലയാളത്തിലും കൂടി പറയട്ടെ. വെരി ഐ മീൻ ജന്മദിന ആശംസകൾ. നമ്മളെ നാട്ടിൽ വരുമ്പോൾ കാണാം, നമുക്ക് സെലിബ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. ആൻഡ് ദിസ് ഇസ് നോട്ട് ഇറ്റ്. എൻ്റെ ഫാമിലിക്കും എന്തോ പറയാനുണ്ട്. സോ ലെറ്റ്സ് ലിസൺ ടു ദം ആസ് വെൽ. ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ പിയ. മെനി ഹാപ്പി റിട്ടേൺസ് ഓഫ് ദി ഡേ. ടേക്ക് കെയർ. ബൈ ബൈ.
Okay, so you have seen, right, how you have made impact in the life of so many students, right? So definitely you have done something great in your life. So it's been I will tell you honestly, like teaching profession is not like any other profession, because I don't even like to call it a profession. It's like a relationship, right? So as I was saying, you heard, right, how students were wishing you. They were so happy. When I contacted them, I asked them, this is what it is. They were more than happy to wish you, and after so many years. So यार ये सब सुन के मुझे भी काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. Okay, and trust me, I'm a little bit jealous as well. You have done an amazing job in your life. रही बात मेरी तो I'm not just simply saying this, but I'm being very honest. You actually have changed my life, and even मेरा जो career बना है, somewhere you also have made an impact in that. जैसे कि अगर आपको याद होगा, रॉयल कॉलेज में भी हम लोग जब साथ में थे. Today students tell me that आपको बहुत पसंद आता है, but somewhere उसमें भी आपका हाथ है. The way even I teach, my love for physics, it's actually because of you. Because आपने physics लिया था, इसके लिए मैंने physics लिया. You remember, especially Teachers Day में डांस करो. कैसे डांस करो यार, आता ही नहीं है मुझे डांस करने के लिए. But then somewhere you saw some YouTube video जिसमें जिस पे बोला गया था, अगर आपने ये 4 स्टेप कर लिए तो आप कोई भी गाने पे डांस कर सकते हो. And you taught me that dance. और ये एक सीक्रेट है, लेकिन आज सब बच्चों को बता रहा हूँ. मुझे सिर्फ 4 ही स्टेप आते हैं, बट बच्चों को लगता है वाह सर क्या डांस करते हैं. सो थैंक यू फॉर दैट एज वेल. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग विच यू हैव डन फॉर मी इन माई लाइफ इज गिविंग बर्थ टू आवर डॉटर, गॉर्जियस डॉटर, जो डेफिनेटली आप पे गई है. सिर्फ एक ही प्रॉब्लम है, that उसको कंपटीशन बहुत खतरनाक मिला हुआ है, बिकॉज शी विल बी ऑलवेज लुकिंग अप टू यू, राइट? कि उसकी मॉम, वाओ, शी इज सच एन अमेजिंग वुमन। तो वो एक प्रॉब्लम डेफिनेटली अद्विका को आने वाला है, बिकॉज यू आर अमेजिंग, यू नो, you do multiple things here, like, you know, and there are very few people who can actually do it, you know, taking care of house, taking care of me, taking care of Advika, then teaching kids, then when I lost my job, you know, you took care of things, right? मैं वो सब चीजें भूल नहीं सकता। Definitely, you know, you are my support system. Without you, I'm nothing. Trust me. Without you, I'm nothing, and I really mean it. And कुछ तो भूल रहा हूँ यार, याद नहीं आ रहा मुझे और क्या बोलना था। You know, yeah, even when I started my venture, you were always there with me, right? तो आपने घर का भी ख्याल रखा, you were doing job, you were taking care of me, my daughter, and you know, and because of that, I was able to successfully, you know, move forward. And कुछ तो भूल रहा हूँ, मुझे सच में याद नहीं। Oh yeah, याद आ गया। Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday, Pia. Bye. And I love you. Bye.
कब किया आपने यार? थैंक यू सो मच।